Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dulal Hossain. I am the former student of Green University of Bangladesh. Today we will learn how to obtain the Green University certificates if you are graduated from the Green University. Firstly, we go to certificate.green.edu.bd. I will provide the link in description. So you can see here's for the registrations. So we enter our ID, something like that. Then name, select the department. Then the phone numbers, the valid phone numbers you currently use, and the valid emails. And must be here you need to a photo, passport size photo is 300 by 300. So how we get it? So we go to these websites, means the image resizer.com. Then you already know, if you are graduated from university, you already know how it is work. So firstly we select it, then processes, image processing is here. Here you given the wide is, you given the height is 300. Then just export. Then you can get a 3 by 3 and 300 by 300 pixels passport size image and upload it here and create a passwords. You can't change these passwords. It is very hassle. Also another things is here, you given the proper formal images because you can't change the images. So I have already registered, so I just log in. You already see my accounts. So here's how we firstly registrations, then you need to apply for it. You need to basic informations. Here's ID, same again. Here is yours, yours. You can see the last options. You can see these are selected, then permanent campus or city campus. So registration also it is now show that if you are permanent campus students, then you select the permanent. If you city campus admission in city campus, then you can select the city campus. Then the valid mobile number and email address. Then here's the on option is save. So you can need to save. Okay, now you need to the previous academic records, your degree name, HSC, previous passing years, CGPA, then the board like my SSC and passing year is 2017 and grade is like 4.7576 and select the board, just Rajshahi. Then you just save it. Already saved. You can see my formations. Okay. Then go to next. You need to select the generalized course. You need to select all the courses because these 20 credit course this 20 is general credit. You just select like that, and all the courses are units when select, then save, click the save options. And in this website is have some issues. When you click the save options and the go to the forward button, this button is not work. So you need to refresh this page and it is back to the first step. Then you again next, then go to next. Then here's the basic science, mathematics, and other engineering courses, 36 credit. You need to all the courses are finished. Mainly, I am the student of Green University of Bangladesh CSE department. So, is this for the CSE, the only CSE department, but others departments follow their rules and regulations. So you can see your degree and fill up all the things. Then when you select, then it is save options again presents. So go to next. Oh, okay, I will miss on things again. This website is have the issues, so you need to refresh like that and go to next, 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 and next. Here's the 72.5 credits for our core subject for the CSE departments. So I need to select all the courses and then again save and again refresh the page and going to the first step and next to come to the 6 steps. Here you can see the optional course. Some of the students taken the compilers and some of the students select the data communications. If you complete the in registrations, if you select the data communication, then select data communication like that. My course is data communications. If you are a student of compiler, then you can select then the cyber security. Here only 7.5 credit needs. Sorry, only 7 credit needs. You can see the 7 credit already presents is here. Here you can see. So then click the next buttons. Again, when you save, then need to refresh. Then here is the last option is specializations course. Um, most of the students taken the data mining and machine learning and data mining, so you can select. And some of the students taken the mobile application development, and the software testing. So you need to select these 2 courses, the 2 theory and 2 labs. So means 4. You can see here my 4 courses and total credit is 0.5. That means if we calculate our total credit, firstly 20, then 36, sorry, firstly 20 plus 36. Okay, my mouse given some issues. Then 72.5, 72.5. Sorry, this is general. 20 credit is for general course, 36 for the science and others engineering course, and 72.5 is our core course. Then 7 credit for the optional, and at last 8.5 is the optional course. You can see the 144 credit is completed. So and given the save buttons and submitted. When you submitted this, okay, when you submitted, you see the status. Here's the lots of approvals need for your certificate. Firstly, the controller office means the exam controller office. It is given, it is verified correct or not. Then here they give the yes buttons. Click my approval. My certificate is all the status are complete. So here there is no any tick or any mark. So the for your beginning your sides the all are not green, all are white. So you can see the status for your certificates and talk to the exam controller office or the other things. I will provide the exam controller numbers in my descriptions. So firstly, the exam controller office given the verify it is correct. Yes. Then admission office approval it is yes. And then come to the library. Here is taken 2 hours, 3 working days. Like your against your ID, you have taken library book previously or not. If pending your book, then give no and contact with you for the return the book. Then it is yes. If it is not yes, then further procedure are stack. Then delay fine. I have fines for 63 taka when I pay and notify them. Then here they give there is no delay fine is no. And thesis document thesis projects, when you complete your research or thesis or projects, then you need to the submitted the PDF format for DC office. The library give the informations to you through the emails or the phone. So you need to submit your thesis or project book PDF file to DC office. Then the DC office submitted to the library. Then they give it is not pending. That means the tick the yes. Then comes to the accounts. Theirs takes almost 2 to 4 working days or 7 working days. Basically, when I applied for certificates for the puja holiday, so it is taken 7 days almost. So the accounts notify you over the phones. You need to pay something. If you have the due and the for certificates, for the professional certificate, you need to pay 2,000, and for the transcript, you need to pay 500. But our library refund fund is 200. If you have no due, then this 2,000 is reclaim your accounts. You just need to pay 5,000. 500, that means 2,500. Then it is come to the register office. You have if you have any disciplinary issues or something else, then they give no. If it is not, then they give yes or something else. Then the come to the program coordinator. Program coordinators from now it is handle the Riyad Hassan sir. The program coordinators see the your transcript and other things, then give the approvals. Then when program coordinator approve, the chairperson, our chairperson is very active, so he at the almost same times he approve your certificates. Then you talk to the controller office via mobile, via phone. Then they give the date and you collect your certificate easily. You can say, you can see your change the your password and log out. But here is there is sorry, there is no options for change the passwords. Also here's the pages, the user guideline, you can see. So best of luck for your certificate and for your future. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are understand how to apply for a certificates.